Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a perfect summer side dish, spinach and enoki mushroom with hot oil dressing. Just look at those colors, fresh, vibrant, and packed with flavor. First, let's prepare our veggies. I've got some spinach here. Give it a good wash and cut it into small sections. Here I have half a carrot. Washed clean, let's slice it into thin strips. And of course some enoki mushrooms. Just rinse them well and set aside. Now let's make the magic sauce. In a bowl, add some dried chili strips, a tablespoon of sesame seeds, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Pour hot oil right over the top. Listen to that sizzle. Then season it with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of Chinese Black Vinegar, a teaspoon salt, a teaspoon MSG, a teaspoon sugar, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, and finally a tablespoon of chili oil. Give it a mix, and that's our fragrant dressing ready to go. With all the prep done, let's cook. Alright, I've got a wok of water boiling here. Let's add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Toss in the spinach, just a quick blanch. And so as the water comes back to a boil, take it out and dunk it into cold water. Next, let's do the enoki mushrooms and the carrot sticks. Boil for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then after they go into cold water. Finally, squeeze out extra water so everything is nice and dry. Now add some roasted peanuts. Pour that amazing dressing all over. Toss everything together and it's ready to plate. Look at this, bright, colorful, and so refreshing. Let me take a bite. Oh wow. The spinach and enoki soak up all that flavor. It's fragrant, it's tender, just perfect. On a hot summer day, pair this with an ice-cold beer or even a chilled Coke. You are all set. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.